Warning, warning, I am a living warning bot. There is a dangerous hacker. Gorilla attack at the moment going around. Name 379473339 who is breaking players' headsets. We are going around and banning each server in 3794739 is in it. You have 10 minutes to leave. If you still want to play Gorilla Tag, leave this server immediately or you will be banned permanently. Warning, warning, warning.